basic nature of organic compounds is a difficult topic. If you are strong in GOC, then only you can do these bits. Okay, that's what generally in IPE, the basic nature of alcohol is are not asked. Only phenol is asked for IP. But there are beautiful questions are asked in NEET and JEE mains advanced. So for this, you must know the knowledge of dissociation constant, equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium and pKa, pKb. So finally, now we'll give based on this example what you have learned for acid. What you have learned for acid to do the bits. నేను మీకు ఈరోజు కొన్ని బిట్స్ పంపిస్తాను. నేను హ్యాండ్ రిటర్న్ నేనే రాసి పంపిస్తాను. So see here all of you. So generally what is to be remembered in the case of acids, for acids, see here, dissociation constant is directly proportional to H plus ion concentration. Okay, which is directly proportional to strength of acid. That is, strength means strongness of acid, strength of acid. Okay, now next, simply given as if Ka increases, okay, then what happens to the pKa? Because they are inversely proportional. If Ka is more, tell me, if Ka is more, so what's the rational? If Ka is more, what will be pKa? pKa decreases, pKa will be less. This you have to remember, okay, because these are inversely proportional. And if K is more, what will be the H plus ion concentration? More. H plus ion concentration more. Okay, and how this, listen, how this dissociation Ka can be increased in order to get more H plus ions. How you can do? ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అది? If you put a group in the acid, if you put a group in the acid, whether it is alcohol, phenol or carboxylic acid, which accelerate. Okay, do you understand the meaning of accelerate? Accelerate means speed up. Okay, so if K is more, means what? H plus ion release is more, the strength of acid is more. So if you want to release of more protons, ఇంకా protons పెంచాలనుకుంటున్నాను అనుకో, అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలి? In the acid, whether it is carboxylic acid or phenol or alcohol, you have to put certain group in the acid. You have to put certain group in this acid which can speed up, accelerate, okay, which can cheer the acid to release protons faster and faster. So these groups must be what? Tell me, these groups must be what? అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగో ఇది ఎంతో అంత రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది ప్రోటాన్ యాసిడ్, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ప్రోటాన్స్ రిలీజ్ చేయాలనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? కొన్ని గ్రూప్స్ పెట్టాలి. అది ఆల్కహాల్ కావచ్చు, లేదా ఫినాల్ కావచ్చు, లేదా కార్బాక్సిలిక్ కావచ్చు. నువ్వు దాంట్లో ఏం పెట్టాలి? ఆ మాలిక్యూల్ కి ఒక గ్రూప్ అటాచ్ చేయాలి. ఆ గ్రూప్ ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్రోటాన్స్ ఫాస్ట్ గా రిలీజ్ అయ్యేలా ఆ యాసిడ్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? లేదా యాక్సెలరేట్ చేయాలి, స్పీడ్ అప్ చేయాలి. క్యాటలిస్ట్ కాదు. Catalyst is what used in changing speed of reaction. Okay, a slow reaction, a fast reaction, a slow journey. That is a catalyst different. Here you have to put a group which is electron withdrawing. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము మనం. ఒకరు ఎవరు చెప్పారు? సునీల్ చెప్పారు. You have to attach the group. What is that? Electron withdrawing. So now we'll see how electron withdrawing group. Sunil gave answer. ఓకే, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ పెడితే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే వచ్చే ప్రోటాన్ ఇంకా ఫాస్ట్ గా వస్తుంది. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది ప్రోటాన్ ఇక్కడ పిల్లలు? ఓకే, ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐ టోల్డ్ the proton from the alcohols or phenols or carboxylic acid released from which group? మర్చిపోవద్దు, OH. Very good. Okay, so to break this OH bond, to release the H plus from alcohol or phenol or carboxylic acid, you have to attach the molecule, organic molecule, with electron withdrawing group. Is that clear? Electron withdrawing group which can fasten the release of further proton. Okay, so such groups are called as, in according to inductive effect, minus I group. According to mesomeric effect, minus Me group. So here I can continue this. Okay, I can continue this. What is this one? The strength of acid. See here, the dissociation of acid directly proportional to H plus and concentration, which is directly proportional to strength of acid, which is directly proportional to, Chepali, is directly proportional to minus I group. Okay, minus I group or minus Me group. Please listen carefully. Ka increases, H plus and concentration increases. So as H plus and concentration is more, dissociation constant is more, strength of acid is more. Then how this strength or proton release can be increased? By putting the minus I group, negative or minus inductive affecting group, or minus mesomeric affecting groups. And what are these groups? These are electron, both. The minus means electron withdrawing. These groups withdraw the electron from carbon chain, carbon skeleton of organic compound, to which the OH group is attached. Okay, whether it is minus I effect or minus M effect, these are called as electron withdrawing group. These are called as electron withdrawing groups. Okay, now understand, as a number of minus I groups increases, acidic nature increases, because these groups activate the alcohol or phenol or carboxylic acid to release the proton fast and fast. Okay, even this minus Me also. So more is the strength of this minus I group, minus Me group, then release of proton will become faster. Okay, so for this, what I can give you examples. The best example is what? What is the best example? The best example is what? Here I'll give you for this commonly. The best example is what? NO2. Very good. Okay. NO2 is the first. You have to remember few groups. అన్ని అవసరం లేదు, కొన్ని గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటే చాలు పిల్లలు. ఓకే, అంత మొత్తం నేర్చుకుంటే అవసరం లేదు, నేను నోట్స్ లో కూడా పంపించాను. The first one is what? The strongest one is whether it is minus I or minus Me. NO2. The next is cyanide. Okay, cyanide. And next is halogens. In halogens, you know that fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, as electronegativity increases, minus I effect increases. Okay, halogens. The next remember here phenyl. Of course, the phenyl shows weak plus Me effect. Okay, so please remember this. Understand where this phenyl shows plus Me group, weaker group it is. Okay, but whereas it is minus I affecting group, where halogens are minus I effect, but these are plus Me group. So for carboxylic acid, you can consider this. Okay, now so now we'll go for the electron withdrawing groups. So one note here, as you people all are asking me, madam, running notes ఇవ్వడం కుదరదమ్మా. You watch the video and whatever I send you notes, you go through them. But here, note one point. Okay, note one point. ఫస్ట్ యాసిడ్ అంటే ఏంది, ఎలా ప్రోటాన్ రిలీజ్ అయింది, ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైతే ఎవరికైనా వస్తుంది బిట్స్ చేయడానికి, అందుకని ఇదంతా చెప్పాల్సి వచ్చింది. ఇట్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం. ఓకే, నోట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups decreases the, if you want to write, you can write this point, decreases the electron density in carbon chain. Okay, in carbon chain. So OH bond breaks fast. Breaks fast. Therefore, H plus released. Released fast. Fast. Therefore, acid becomes a strong acid. Okay, any acid which releases the proton fast, okay, is called strong acid. So, how can you make a weak acid into strong acid? By attaching a electron withdrawing groups. Means these can take electron from a carbon chain. As they take electron from carbon chain, this effect will be extended to even up to oxygen. In that case, oxygen pulls the electron from hydrogen quickly. So quickly means faster. Hydrogen is released as H plus. Okay, H plus. So now I'll give you one example. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇప్పుడు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ అందరూ. All of you watch this. Now here I'm taking example minus I effect. Minus I effect of chlorine. Of chlorine. Okay, in alcohols. In alcohols and in carboxylic acids and in carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, that what it is RCOOH, because the inductive effect is seen in aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds and even in what aromatic compounds also. Okay, so here, so you can observe the minus IE effect of chlorine in alcohols and carboxylic acids. So see here all of you. See here all of you. చూడండి ఇక్కడ అందరూ. Now CH2OH. If it is CH3, tell me what is this molecule? CH3OH. దీని ఏమంటారమ్మా? ఇది ఆల్కహాలా కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడా? Please, anybody? Alcohol. Okay, now here I'm taking this as only CH2. Only CH2. Now to this, if you attach CH3. Now what is this acid? Oh, sorry, what is this alcohol? Previously I wrote CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Now attached CH3. Now how many carbons here? 1, 2 carbons. Ethanol. It is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Now see here, by breaking of this OH bond, see around the oxygen the geometry is angular like water molecule. అందుకే ఇలా రాయాలి. Okay, so you all aware that when this bond, OH bond, is broken in favor of oxygen, then this hydrogen is released. This hydrogen is released as H plus. Okay, and you get here CH3, CH2O minus, ethoxide anion. Ethoxide anion. Okay, it is ethyl alcohol. Now here the group which is present, CH3, it is plus inductive affecting a group, means this group donates electron. Okay, this is plus I group means what? It is electron releasing. Every alkyl group is electron releasing. Plus I group. Suppose if you replace this methyl plus IE group, okay, plus IE group with chlorine, we'll see what happens. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Now how this, you may be having doubt, how this ethyl group, methyl group or ethyl group, alkyl group donates electron. Here it is showing the inductive effect, means the sigma bond which is between these two carbons will be moving towards this electronegative OH group. So the sigma bond electrons from methyl are pumped moving towards the CH2 carbon. Then this CH2 carbon donates this sigma bond electrons to this oxygen. Then you know that the H plus is released by breaking of OH bond. But what happens because of electron releasing nature of methyl due to plus I effect? When this oxygen gets electron from backside, చూస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ ఈ plus I group అంటే ఏంది? ఈ alkyl group ఏంది? Electron donating group, as it is donating the sigma bond electrons to this oxygen. So what happens? The breaking of this OH bond will become slower. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఆక్సిజన్ కి వెనుక నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ సరిపోని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ వస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇది హైడ్రోజన్ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీసుకుంటుందమ్మా? హైడ్రోజన్ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీసుకుంటుందా? తీసుకోదు. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దిస్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ వాట్ గెటింగ్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ from backside. Okay, from backside. So therefore it doesn't take electron from the OH bond. So means what happens when any electron releasing groups are attached? So the electrons are moving towards oxygen. So oxygen become electron rich. In this case, as electron rich, oxygen becoming electron rich, the breaking of OH bond will become slower. So what happens? The proton is released, but the dissociation is slow. And any acid or any substance which releases proton slow is called as a weak acid. So this ethyl alcohol is what? Weak acid. But if you replace this methyl group with negative inductive effect minus IE group like chlorine, we'll see what happens. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ తీసేస్తున్నాను. In place of methyl, see here all of you, in place of this methyl I'm putting chlorine. Okay, I'm putting here chlorine. Okay na, చూడండి ఇక్కడ this is weak acid ethyl alcohol. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఇక్కడ in place of this methyl I'm putting this chlorine. దీన్ని మార్చేసాను. Okay, now it is attached to the CH2OH. Now same is what here also, by breaking of this bond, okay, by breaking of this bond, OH bond in favor of oxygen, it has to release H plus. Okay, here the bond between O and H breaks unequally, so O becomes O minus and H will be plus. So releases proton, and this time you get Cl, CH2 and O minus. Then here in the case of the chlorine, what is chlorine? Chlorine is minus I effect. It is an electron withdrawing group due to electronegativity. So this is electron withdrawing, means in this case what happens? See, it is reversed to the methyl. The methyl is plus I effect, means it is adding electron to the carbon chain. But here the negative groups always, negative inductive affecting group or negative mesomeric affecting group, they decrease the density of electron in the carbon chain. Means in the case of chlorine minus effect, it takes electron from carbon chain. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఈ CH2 కార్బన్ నుంచి ఏం చేస్తుంది? క్లోరిన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తన వైపుకి లాగుంది. Because everyone knows the chlorine electronegativity is more than the carbon. Where carbon is 2.5, chlorine is 3.5. So it is obvious that from the CCl, okay, carbon CCl, this CCl sigma bond, the electrons are moving towards the chlorine. So what happens in the carbon chain? In the carbon chain, electron density decreases. And we know that this effect of movement of sigma bond electrons will be up to the 3 members or 4 members of carbon chain, or up to the chain of the molecule. So what happens? This CH2 takes electron, try to take electron from this oxygen, because by lot of force this chlorine is withdrawing electron from CH2. Then this CH2 takes electron from oxygen, which is attached to the hydrogen. So in this case, due to minus effect, this electron withdrawing nature of chlorine, what happens on this oxygen? Electron density decreases. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఈ ఆక్సిజన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అంటే CO బాండ్, కార్బన్ ఆక్సిజన్ మధ్యలో ఉన్న బాండ్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ క్లోరిన్ వైపు షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది. మీన్స్ as electrons are moving towards the minus I group, so on the oxygen electron density decreases. So as electron density of oxygen decreases, so what happens? This will readily, quickly, with very force takes bond from sigma bond from a hydrogen. In this case, H plus released faster. So if any minus I group like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is attached, NO2 cyanide groups are attached, then the release of proton will become faster, because this minus I groups always decreases the electron density in the carbon chain, and which cause decrease in electron density on oxygen, from which H plus is released. Therefore, in this case, this oxygen with the force, lot of force, it takes sigma bond electron from a OH bond. Therefore, H plus is released faster. So thus it will become a strong acid. Okay, it will become a strong acid. So to increase the strength of acid, you have to put the minus I group, which is electron withdrawing. Or to decrease the strength of acid, what is the group to be kept attached? యాసిడ్ యొక్క స్ట్రెంగ్త్ పెంచాలంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్డ్రాయింగ్, మరి యాసిడ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ తగ్గించాలంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్. సో హియర్ this methyl is acting as a electron donating, therefore acid strength is decreased, whereas this minus I group, which is electron withdrawing, acid strength is increased. Okay, I will continue in the next class with examples. You please watch the video. It will be a little difficult to you if you did not understand in your previous classes అంటే మీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ లో మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయకపోతే అర్థం కాదు. మహాదేవ్ రెడ్డి చెప్తా, ఇంకా రేపు వెళ్ళిన టైం ఉంది. టుడే ఇస్ జస్ట్ వెడ్నెస్డేనే కదా, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆన్ సండే, అవునా ఎమ్మా? యూ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. ఎస్, ఓకే. సో ఫైనలీ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ where from H plus released OH group. So as minus I group increases, the release of proton becomes faster. Faster the proton release, stronger is the acid. రేపు మనము బెంజీన్, ఫినాల్ అన్ని వెళ్దాం, aromatic అన్ని వెళ్దాం, సరేనా? ఓకే, 9:33 as next class started. Attend the class. All the best.